हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल एंड दिस वीडियो इज़ मेनली फॉर सीबीएसई स्टूडेंट्स। ये वीडियो खास करके सीबीएसई स्टूडेंट्स के लिए है और खासकर उन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए जो लोग इन 2021 जो लोग ये सीबीएसई 10th का बोर्ड का एग्ज़ाम देने वाले हैं, उनके इंग्लिश के पेपर को लेकर के ये वीडियो मैं बना रहा हूँ। आई मस्ट टेल यू दैट दिस इज़ नोन टू एवरीवन। ये सबको मालूम है कि समथिंग नियर अबाउट जुलाई योर सिलेबस वाज कटेड, आपका सिलेबस को काट करके छोटा किया गया था एंड मैनी चैप्टर हैज़ बीन रिमूव्ड, ठीक है, फ्रॉम लिटरेचर ऑल्सो, फ्रॉम ग्रामर, फ्रॉम राइटिंग स्किल, ओके, और इन द सेम वे फ्रॉम ऑल द सब्जेक्ट्स इट हैज़ बीन डन। ये सारे के सारे सब्जेक्ट में किया गया है, ठीक है। एंड एज द सिलेबस हैज़ बीन कटेड, यू शुड नो, सिलेबस काट दिया गया इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि यू हैव गॉट बोनांजा ऑफर, ओके, स्टिल दे विल हैव दैट सेम ये स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ द एग्जामिनेशन। तो अगर आप पैटर्न से वाकिफ़ नहीं है, इफ़ यू डोंट हैव आइडिया अबाउट द पैटर्न, यू मे गेट प्रॉब्लम। सो लेट अस सी इस बार आने वाले 2021 के बोर्ड के एग्ज़ाम में आपका क्वेश्चन पेपर कैसा रहेगा, मार्क ये क्वेश्चंस किस तरह से पैटर्न किए रहेंगे और मार्किंग स्कीम क्या रहेगा। पहले शुरू करने से पहले मैं बता दूं, आई मस्ट टेल यू कि दिस इज़ एन एनालिसिस ऑफ योर सैम्पल क्वेश्चन पेपर दैट यू फाइंड ऑन इंटरनेट, ओके। सो लेट्स बिगिन। दिस पेपर इज़ अबाउट क्लास 10th, ये वीडियो क्लास 10th के लिए है एंड इट कवर्स ओनली इंग्लिश सब्जेक्ट, ओके। ये इंग्लिश सब्जेक्ट का पूरा डिटेल कवर करता है। एज यू नो दैट योर एग्जामिनेशन विल बी ऑफ 3 आवर्स, आपका एग्ज़ाम 3 घंटे का होगा एंड इन 3 आवर्स यू गेट क्वेश्चन पेपर ऑफ 80 मार्क्स, पूरे 80 नंबर का क्वेश्चन पेपर आपको दिया जाता है। मूविंग अहेड, आई टेल यू दैट दिस क्वेश्चन पेपर ऑफ 80 मार्क्स विल बी पार्टेड इनटू 2 पार्ट्स, इसको 2 हिस्सों में बांटा जाएगा। दैट विल हैव सेक्शन ए एंड सेक्शन बी, okay. Section A will have 40 marks, okay, as you can see here, and section B will also have same equal marks, 40 marks. तो सेक्शन ए में 40 मार्क्स होगा, सेक्शन बी में 40 मार्क्स होगा। नाउ लेट्स मूव अहेड एंड लेट अस सी कि सेक्शन ए में क्या है और सेक्शन बी में क्या है, व्हाट आर द थिंग्स अवेलेबल इन सेक्शन ए एंड सेक्शन बी, ओके। सो यू शुड बी श्योर, ओके, दैट व्हेन यू स्टार्ट डीलिंग विद सेक्शन ए, जैसे ही आप सेक्शन ए की ओर बढ़ते हैं तो इन सेक्शन ए यू विल फाइंड 3 थिंग्स। आपको सेक्शन ए में 3 चीज़ें मिलेगी। फर्स्ट वन, रीडिंग स्किल, सबसे पहले रीडिंग स्किल जो कि 20 मार्क्स का आपको दिया जाएगा। देन यू विल फाइंड लिटरेचर, ओके, फ्रॉम योर टेक्स्ट बुक। आफ्टर दैट देयर विल बी वन मोर सेगमेंट ऑफ 10 मार्क्स, दैट विल बी ग्रामर। वो 10 मार्क्स का ग्रामर होगा, 20 + 10 30 एंड देन 10 40 मार्क्स आर देयर, दैट इज योर सेक्शन A, 40 marks. Now we have in section A, starting with reading skill, I must tell you what are the things that you get in reading skill. आपको reading skill के लिए क्या क्या करना पड़ेगा, किस बातों को ध्यान देना है, what you have to take care, means if you want to practice, अगर आपको अभी से प्रैक्टिस करना है तो किस तरह से उसका प्रैक्टिस कर सकती है, पैटर्न यहाँ से जान ले, ओके। फर्स्ट थिंग, इन रीडिंग स्किल यू गेट एन अनसीन पैसेज, आपको एक पैसेज दिया जाता है जिसमें आपको दैट विल हैव 10 मार्क्स, वो 10 मार्क्स के लिए होगा, ठीक है। पैसेज में भी फैक्चुअल, पैसेज या तो फैक्चुअल हो सकता है, डिस्क्रिप्टिव हो सकता है, या तो लिटरेरी हो सकता है, फ्रॉम एनी स्टोरी, नॉवेल, कुछ भी दिया जा सकता है, ठीक है। दैट पैसेज विल कवर 12 क्वेश्चंस, उस पैसेज में 12 क्वेश्चन होंगे, बट यू हैव टू आंसर ओनली 10 क्वेश्चंस, ओके। मीन्स 1 क्वेश्चन 1 मार्क, 10 क्वेश्चन, ओके, यू विल हैव 10 into 1, you will get 10 marks, okay. This will be the exact pattern. Moving ahead, we have what will be the base of the question. अब question का base क्या होगा, तो you should keep in your mind that first thing, text comprehension पे, मतलब जो दिया गया है आपको पैसेज, वो पढ़ने के बाद did you understand or not, you will get question on that basis. Then there can be question about theme, about the central idea of the passage, about the perception of the writer or the emotion of the writer, thinking of the writer, that can be there. Then we have a title for the passage. There may be a question that what can be the appropriate title for the passage, that can be the question. And then finally you come across some questions that will be related to word meanings, okay, words or phrases, okay. Some question might be asking you, okay, appropriate expression for a particular word or phrase, or opposite expression for a particular word. Next, in the same reading skill, you will get one more passage. Okay, you should be sure that reading skill covers 20 marks and you will get 2 passages. Okay, same that second passage will also have same story. You get the passage, 10 marks will be there, 12 question will be given and 10 question has to be answered. But the problem is there, this will not be any kind of descriptive literary like that. It will be a survey report. You may find in this some kind of pie chart, bar graph. Okay, might be given, some data will be given. On that very data only you will have to answer all the thing. Okay, in this also you may find word related questions and text and data based questions. So this has to be dealt properly. You have to go through the data and after that only you will be able to answer. So now this 10 marks and that 10 marks, it has become 20 marks from reading skill out of the book Unseen Passage. Now moving ahead, you will find literature section. Okay, in reading skill, literature section will be there. See, here we have this literature section will be of 10 marks. Okay, now how the literature section will be given? You are not given any kind of question. You will be given an extract from the text book. Okay, आपके किसी भी टेक्स्ट बुक से, मीन्स that 2 books are there. From there, from the prose section you will get one extract that may be from any story. आपके किसी भी स्टोरी से वो लिया हुआ 1 या 2 पैसेज हो सकता है, 1 या 2 पैराग्राफ हो सकता है, that can be. And on that very paragraph only they will have question, that will be text based question. There may be true and false question. Okay, there will be fact and opinions, means they will give you some sentences and they will ask you which is fact and which is opinion. Okay, based on that very passage only. Then finally word based problems. Okay, then in the same, this will be of only 5 marks. The passage extracted from the prose section will be of only 5 marks, but there will be one more extraction that will be from poetry section and that will also fetch you 5 marks. Okay, in that you have to understand the text. Remember, this extraction will also be from your textbook only. There are many poems prescribed to you, so from the poems they will take out one part. किसी पोएम के 2 या 3 स्टैंजा को आपको दे दिया जाएगा एंड फ्रॉम दैट ओनली क्वेश्चन विल बी आस्क्ड. ओके, question can be there, okay, on the basis of rhyming scheme also, what is the rhyming scheme, and figure of speech also. Okay, that would tell means a particular sentence will be taken out from the poem and the question will be what is the figure of a speech of this very sentence or something. Okay, and then finally it will have word based question. Okay, now moving ahead, we have got in section A, grammar section is there. See, we all know that grammar chapters has been removed. grammar का chapter हटा दिए गए हैं, but still some things are there. लेकिन अभी भी कुछ ना कुछ बाकी है, that is standing like a pillar before you. So that grammar will cover 10 marks. Okay, how it will be there? So you get a passage in which you will have to fill in the blanks with some of the words, like exactly like close test. There is one thing, कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स में एक सेक्शन होता है इसको क्लोज टेस्ट कहते हैं. वो फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स होता है एक पैसेज में एंड सम ऑप्शंस आर गिवन. ओके, तो ऑप्शन जो सही होता है दैट हैज़ टू बी फिल्ड, तो अ पैसेज विल बी देयर. आफ्टर दैट narration based fill in the blanks will be there, means there will be some picture given, 2 people talking to each other, and then they will have a passage and that passage will have some blanks, and by filling correct answer you have to complete a narration. Okay, that if you have studied narration or practiced, you will have to do that narration. Then we have there will be one more thing, fill in the blanks. Okay, for 4 marks 4 नंबर का एक और fill in the blanks होगा, that will cover the remaining chapters of grammar. Like we have, that will cover your conditional, your syntax, your adjective, your article, your tense and your models. Okay, these all things will be there only in this 4 marks, right? So you should take care of this also if you want to collect this 10 marks. So you practice fill in the blanks with passages, narration, okay, in fill in the blanks style, and then you should have a look of these all chapters: conditional, syntax, adjective, article, tense and modal. Voice has been removed this time. Okay, conjunction has been removed this time, so that will not be there. Okay, now without wasting time, I have come to your second part. Okay, that is section B of your question paper. Obviously section B will also have 40 marks only, okay, not more. This will also have only 40 marks, and this 40 marks has been parted in two parts. Remember, writing skill is there, that will have 10 marks for you, okay, because writing skill cannot be given in objective. Remember, whatever I have taught अभी तक जो मैंने बताया है सेक्शन ए का, okay, in section A you will get only objective questions. There is nothing to write descriptive. This part will be descriptive only, you have to write, okay. So section A, if you have your if you use sense, if you practice, so that 40 marks can be in your hand, okay, right. Now section B is all about writing descriptive only. If you know, you get the marks. If you don't know, you don't get the marks, okay. So writing skill covers your 10 marks and literature will have 30 marks. Here you will have to answer the questions, okay. How this will be parted, let us see, okay. See this, section B is there, 40 marks, okay. Writing skill will be there. In this writing skill I told you it will be of 10 marks only. This writing skill covers a formal letter, okay. There can be that formal letter may be to the editor, making any complaint, means complaint letter, or making any kind of order. This out of these three there may be one, okay. After that letter writing you may get a story writing. So if they give you story writing, there can be only 2 or 3 things. Either they give you a picture, and in the picture they will tell you that please look at the picture and then write a story. That will be there. Otherwise what they do, they tell you, they give you some kind of proverb, and then they will tell you please write a story on the basis of this proverb, or they give you some outlines of the story, okay, that these are the things, okay, and you have to write a story. That will be there. Now moving ahead, there can be one paragraph writing also, or article writing can be there. But if you get paragraph writing, mainly if you get paragraph writing will not be on a situation. This time it is likely to be on a data given, okay. Data means any kind of bar graph will be given, or any survey report will be given. On that very data you will have to write paragraph, okay. Now we have come to our literature section. In this literature section things are there. This covers your 30 marks, so has to be seen properly. First part of the literature, that will have a question which should be written in 20 to 30 words, right. This will have in two parts, okay, right. First part will also be in two parts. That will have 3 question, 6 questions given in two parts. 6 question आपको 2 हिस्सों में दिया जाएगा. But that from that very 2 parts, okay, you have to answer only 4 questions, okay. That 4 questions, okay, fetching 2 marks each will bring you 8 marks, okay. 4 to the 8 like this, okay. 8 marks यहाँ से आपको मिल जाएंगे. Then the moment you move ahead, okay, you get one more section that will have that will ask answer in 40 to 50 words, right. Now this will have this kind of pattern, that 6 questions will be given in 2 parts and only 4 has to be answered, right. 6 question will be there in 2 parts, means a set of 3 question one and then 3 question another. You have to answer overall only 4 question, means 2 from the first one, 2 from the second one. Each question will bring 3 marks to you, and obviously if you deal all 4 then you get total 12 marks. Now we have come to the brink, okay, to be answered in 100 and 120 word. Finally you will get a question, okay, of this type, which has to be answered in either 100 words, means 100 to 120 words, right. And this will be 2 questions with an alternative. Only 2 will be given, that will have one alternative. Each question carries 5 marks, so here you will get 10 marks, okay. 5 and 5 10 marks. Now you can calculate 12 and 8 20 and 10 30 marks from your literature has been done. So this is going to be the whole pattern, my dear students, in the coming 2021 board exams for CBSE. So all the people who have been in their houses or who have joined their schools, okay, please go through this, and start working. Okay, this is high time you got into the practice, and I wish best of luck to all the students for watching this video. I greet thank you to all. Please like and share the video to help others. That's all.